morning. Good morning. Orlando, DeLand, Stetson University. Go Hatters.
Hurricane Hannah's not going to stop us. Don't worry.
It's raining though. I wish the weather would get better. It's chilly. A little cold. I'm gonna get it right the first time. Hi. We're just waiting to do our individual shots. Introduce our name and where we represent.
I am putting the girls in height order for the stand-up now.
Welcome to the Miss Florida USA channel on YouTube. I'm Jillian Wunderlich, Miss Florida Teen USA 2008. Day 2 of our pre-tape weekend has a hurricane-related detour to the Westin Diplomat Landings. Introductions and prize modeling is on the agenda today. The rain can't stop us from having fun. Let's go get to work.
PU 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Hi, I'm Brianna Lupo, Miss Tampa Teen USA.
Hi, my name is Denise Savignon, Miss Palm Beach County Teen USA.
Hi, I'm Leah McClaney, Miss Teen Panhandle USA.
Hi, I'm Kayla Collier, Miss Treasure Coast Teen USA.
Hi, I'm Vania Pedraja, Miss Sunset Place Teen USA.
Hi, I'm Ann Doe, Miss Jupiter Teen USA.
Spirit, how about you? Yeah! There's a lot of energy on this.
He's funny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to be assertive here.
Nice. Hey, Jillian! Jillian!
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
From the Westin Diplomat Resort and Spa, let's meet our next group of contestants competing for my title.
Hi, I'm Morgan Lucas, Miss Florida West Coast Teen USA. I'm Brittany Pate, Miss Jacksonville Teen USA.
Hi, I'm Mara Lunsford and I'm Miss Pensacola Teen USA.
I'm Kelly Hafner, Miss Marion County Teen USA. Hi, I'm Jessica Smith, Miss First Coast Teen USA.
I'm Caitlin McFarland, Miss Emerald Coast Teen USA.
Okay, guys, it's raining.
Yeah.
Okay? We had other things kind of planned, but it's such a yucky day. We are thinking that we can go back to Tel-Air, hang out until the sun comes out, and then we'll go play in the water park.
Due to the amazing weather we have today, day number 2 was cut a little bit short, but the fun's going to continue tomorrow with Seminar Day. I'm Jillian Wunderlich, Miss Florida Teen USA 2008.
Miss Florida USA is all about the internet. Starting with updates 3 times a week on MissFloridaUSA.com, all you need to know about your favorite pageant is right here. Then join the online video revolution with our Miss Florida USA YouTube channel. Now you can go behind the scenes like never before. Then become our friend on MySpace and Facebook. Join the online video revolution at MissFloridaUSA.com.
Hi, I'm so excited today. Seems really fun. We're at the water park. Can't wait to get started. It is so much fun. This is awesome. Girl, look at the red slide. This looks so dangerous. Brave. I have to try it now.
fun. They're like some banshees. They are. Banshees. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I like it. I love water.
This is our water wall.
Water went up my nose.
We're old buddies from last year.
We're veterans. That's Olympic gold material.
Gold medalist.
Gold medal.
Gold medal.
And good luck to both of you.
Hey, we're going on the yellow slide now. Woohoo! Yeah!
I'll go back, go back. Hi. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm glad the weather decided to clear up. Not at all.
More fun.
Way more fun. And way better girls.
Will you journey off the beaten path? Or on? Experience the best of both worlds on Hollywood Beach. Maybe you will explore our unspoiled nature, or seek the action of our 2.5-mile oceanfront broadwalk. Either way, you'll discover a summer of fun. Take advantage of our summer getaway sale at visithollywood.org and start your journey today.
Pick your nose.
Macy.
Sorry, I couldn't.
It is. I don't know what time it is actually. I think it's 7:30.
Yeah, probably 7:30.
7:30. We're sitting here. It's freezing.
Because we're all wet.
Yeah. Yes, it is freezing.
It's cold
When you're wet. When you're wet, you get chilly and then you get sick, and we don't want to get sick.
Very windy too, so the combination's not very good.
So it's hard right now.
Hi there. They're jamming out.
We're listening to Chris Brown. Chris Brown. Awesome.
Oh my gosh. Chris Brown.
She's in love.
No, I'm not. I just really like Chris Brown.
That's love, Jenna.
No. It's just a high level of like.